In today's episode, we're going to talk about 5 untapped side hustles in 2024 that can make you up to $1,000 a day. I'm Dr. J.
I'm Dr. C.
And thank you for watching
A Two Doc Minds. Welcome to A Two Doc Minds, where we talk about things that's going to help you achieve your personal and professional goals. And today, we're going to talk about how you can make money with certain side hustles online. So before we get into this video, please like,
comment,
subscribe,
and hit that notification button so that you can get this content fresh when it comes on the street.
So let's get into it. So here's some of our advice today on how to jump into some 5 untapped side hustles for 2024. But first, we got this topic from one of our subscribers.
Absolutely.
And they left a comment in our comment section on our channel. The comment was, I need help setting up a side hustle. Can you please provide me some advice?
Absolutely.
So this is where this topic comes in for our video today.
Absolutely. So we always want you to hit comments because those comments drive the content and we want to make the content directly for you. So let's talk about side hustle.
Side hustles. I love side hustles. I mean, it gives you an opportunity to break from your norm and break from your traditional day-to-day job and try something new. But this conversation is going to go in 3 different levels. So the first level is level 1. It's a person with no skill and no money. So the first recommendation that we have for you is to become a content critic.
Yes.
So a content critic could mean a lot of different things for a lot of different people. But this particular online content critic would focus on YouTubers.
Absolutely. So just think of it. Mostly everyone has a smart device, a smartphone, right? And so what a critic is, I don't have to edit content. I don't have to create a lot of content. I don't have to develop scripts. All I have to do is go to a subject matter that I love, look at what in that YouTube space people are saying, and become a critic. You may be a critic in the food industry.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And you see someone making a recipe. You just say, hey, man, this recipe look good or this recipe look bad. And you just give your opinion on what's going on and just improving that on that content and just post.
Right.
Make it organic. You don't have to spend any time or any money. And that sometimes can get you paid when you get monetized.
I like that. You know, it's an easy way to break into a new industry.
Yep.
And it comes at no cost
and
no skills. That's the best part.
It just take time.
Yeah.
Just take time.
A little bit of your time.
Absolutely.
And the next one we want to give you, just to give you another idea of what you can do with no skills and no money, is flipping Instagram theme pages. Now,
Absolutely.
This, Dr. J, this is different, but it requires no skill, no money, so it's a good thing. It's taking commercial products or other companies' products and advertising them or creating a theme on your page.
Yes.
What do you think about that?
So again, I think that's great because you're leveraging your knowledge in technology and you're helping to push a product that will eventually make you money. I would just say make sure those products are something you believe in. But even with no skill, no money, there's other jobs outside the tech. You can go get a job at the Walmart.
Yeah.
You can go get a job at Amazon. You can get a job driving Uber if you got a car.
Right.
There's also other things that you can get as a side hustle. So it's not all about social media. There's all these other things that you can get just putting time out.
Absolutely. I think that this topic is very important because we're just giving you some ideas on how to move in a direction when you're sitting in a space where you don't really have suggestions.
Yeah.
So this is a good start.
Yeah, absolutely.
And these are some good recommendations that
Absolutely.
we have. So let's get into level number 2. And level number 2 is when you have no money but some skill set, so that you have something to smart market on in the open marketplace, but you don't necessarily know enough or have enough to really get that first gig or whatever the case may be. So our first recommendation is for you to design thumbnails.
Yeah, I mean, if you have a design background, designing thumbnails is something that you can do with that skill set. And it's critical that you can use that skill set, especially if you're in a designer. And we'll talk about some things when you're not a designer that you can do to make money. But if you're a designer, it's something simple as creating thumbnails. People are doing this now all the time.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a skill set that you can make quick, fast money. You can use something as easy as Canva to make it happen.
Right.
But it takes some skill, but it doesn't take a lot of money to get into it.
I think it's worthwhile to look into if
Yep.
you are just sitting there trying to figure out what your next move is.
Absolutely.
Looking at thumbnails.
Absolutely.
And you, like Dr. J said, you don't have to have an extensive design experience to get started. And once you get started, you probably will build a more valuable skill set.
Absolutely.
And grow that niche.
Absolutely.
So the next thing that you can do, if you have no money but some skill, is to tutor.
Absolutely. And that's in anything. So I have a skill set of math. I have a skill set of art. I have a skill set of music. Well, I can always tutor. You can go to something. Do they still do Craigslist?
Yeah, they actually do.
Facebook market page. You can create your own little website.
Yep.
You can, create a little
So many
channel
things. So
to
many
get
things.
yourselves out there, because people are always looking to be tutored in something. It's quick, it's fast, and easy money. But even if you have skill set, there's a lot of different things you can go into. You can get into marketing.
Yeah.
You can get into, creating scripts and YouTube. You can get into doing accounting.
Right.
Whatever that skill set is, use it to find money. Right now, unemployment rates are so low. So they're looking for people full-time, part-time, remotely, hybrid, all these options. So there's opportunities for you to get in this space and find you the right side hustle. Again, all it takes is time to go out there and find it.
Yeah, I think a couple of times in our history, we've hired a couple of tutors.
Yeah.
And, it's just a need that you can't get around.
Yeah.
I think tutors are very useful, and it's another way of knowledge sharing.
Oh,
and
yep.
definitely look into it if
Yeah.
you are having troubles looking to make
Absolutely.
money.
Absolutely.
So level 3, if you do have some skills and you do have some money, we're going to go ahead and we're going to kick up that a little bit and say sell digital products.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So when you're selling those digital products, a training program,
Yes.
right? A marketing program, a how-to program, anything, right? How to be a bookkeeper, how to be a writer, right? If you have those resources and money, create you a program online, right? Marketplace for training, tutoring, and teaching, and do how-to is blowing up. So go out there, use those resources, and you can make money really, really fast.
Yeah, I think it's important to look at this one particular one
Yeah.
because this is an untapped way of
Yeah.
making money. The whole point of this video. A lot of people don't see ebooks as a viable source of income, but
Yeah.
if you really look into it, like we're creating an ebook and we're creating a lot of courses as well, because it is a very attractive way to make some money from just as a side hustle. So
But more importantly, it's a way for us to share that knowledge onto you. What you have to be mindful of is to share the knowledge. And people want to learn
Yeah.
from you, just like we're learning from a lot of other people.
yeah, I feel that when you give something away, you also always get so much more back.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You win in the end when you start to share.
Yeah. So no matter if you have money, no matter if you have skill, there is a way for you to get your hustle on and for you to make money. All it takes is a want, a desire, and putting in the time and effort to make it happen.
I agree. It's an exciting time, and you have resources in 2024 that make it easier for you to
Absolutely.
sell all kind of stuff. So get into it and jump in and see what happens.
So let us know in the comment section if you're going to get your side hustle on.
Yes.
And if you are, let us know what that will be, because we want to learn and grow from you. So we want you to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. But more importantly, we want to thank you for watching. I'm Dr. J.
And I'm Dr. C.
And thank you for watching
A
A Two
Doc
Doc
Minds.
Minds.